Important update. The Canada Pension Plan CPP and Old Age Security OAS have been adjusted for inflation. The CPP amounts have increased by 6.5% for 2023. The OAS amounts have increased by 0.3% for January to March 2023. That is a total increase of 7.1% over the year. OAS benefits are adjusted 4 times per year to match changes in the Consumer Price Index, while CPP benefits are adjusted every January. In addition, the Old Age Security Act and the Canada Pension Plan each contain a guarantee ensuring that benefits can never go down, even if the Consumer Price Index goes down. CPP update please visit. OAS update please visit.
我曾遇到一束光在前方。
重要更新：加拿大退休金计划 CPP 和老年保障金 OAS 已针对通货膨胀进行了调整。2023年 CPP 金额增加了 6.5%， OAS 金额在2023年1月至2023年3月期间增加了 0.3%， 即全年总计增加了 7.1%。OAS 福利每年调整4次以匹配消费者价格指数的变化，而 CPP 福利每年1月调整。此外，老年保障法和加拿大退休金计划均包含一项保证，即使消费者物价指数下降，福利也永远不会下降。CPP 更新请浏览 OAS 更新请访问。
新年好呀，新年